Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up troubleshoot Electrify America charging errors, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin troubleshooting Electrify America charging errors, first, approach the charging station calmly. Check for any visible error messages on the screen. Take note of any specific codes or prompts displayed. Next, ensure that your vehicle is properly connected to the charger. Inspect the charger cable for any signs of damage or wear. Remove and reinsert the charging plug to make sure it's secure. If the problem persists, reset the charging session by disconnecting the cable. Wait a few moments before attempting to reconnect. If the display indicates a troubleshooting option, select it for further guidance. Consult the Electrify America app for updates or service alerts. Make sure your payment method is valid and linked to your account. If you're using a membership card, ensure it's activated and recognized by the system. Should the charger still not respond, look for a customer service number on the screen. Call the support line to describe your issue in detail. Follow any troubleshooting steps they suggest over the phone. If necessary, attempt using a different charging station. Keep in mind that network outages may affect charger availability. Document any errors for future reference or follow-up. Lastly, consider reporting persistent issues through the Electrify America app. This helps improve service reliability in the long run. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.